We can use a filter function in Google Sheets, similar to the V or XLOOKUP function, in order to merge two different sets of data. In this example on the left, we have one set of data that ultimately we're going to use to import into a data extension within Marketing Cloud. And that contains our contact 18-digit ID, the email address that we're targeting, any items that you might be using for personalization, such as first name. Of course, an ID column, which is going to be key in merging with our second set of data found on the right-hand side here with that same ID, as well as the piece of data that we're trying to merge into our other set of data, which in this case is formal salutation. To do so, I will select equals and then type out filter, space, start of a parenthesis, and I'm going to find the column, like the column header of the row that I want to render here, in this case, formal salutation, followed by a comma, and then what field will be matching to, which is ID found in the second set of data, and then equals whatever we want it to match on. So the specific cell, in this case being B2, and I can close my parenthesis. And so that's gone ahead and rendered Mr. and Miss A1, which if we were to cross-reference with our other set of data, corresponds to this ID, which is what is displayed here. So I can go ahead and drag that function down to all of these other cells. Note, there could be an NA, an error, because the ID for Kelsey here is not found in the second set of data, so it could not render anything. And a screenshot of what we just went through, where we can see the function written out and highlighting the corresponding columns for when they need to be input.